everyone, we're here in Fullerton. This one will end up being a full home remodel. We just finished the backyard hardscaping here with the retaining walls, pavers outside, and nice bench here to sit around. Next step in the full home remodel here will be, obviously I forgot the nice patio cover that is standing here. The next phase here will be to turn these two windows, including the door in the middle, for two huge sliding doors that will get the whole indoor-outdoor feel for the homeowner. And both of these windows will turn into large sliding doors. For now, the guys are demoing the existing. We sheared all of the inside to be protected while we're doing it, supporting the weight of the roof and getting ready for installation of the doors. This is how it looks for now. The next step will be to frame for the doors. I'll keep you posted as we go. Soon enough we'll start working on the kitchen and the rest of the house, but this is a big, exciting project. Will end up being beautiful. I'll keep you posted.